Hi, this is Hayden Cardiff here for another 60 Seconds of Safety. And this week, which is week 4 of our series on how to train your drivers, we're going to dive into online individual driver training. And so for this is where drivers have the opportunity to, whether it's in their cab on the road or at home after their shift, go online and take trainings where they watch content and then take quizzes to make sure that they're digesting that content, and then all of that is logged and tracked for you from administrative purposes to make sure that you know exactly what they've been trained on and how they did with those trainings. And so these are incredibly helpful pieces to add to your toolbox of training because it is very, very scalable. So for you and your team, you don't have to have individual FaceTime with every single driver. You can send out these trainings to all of your drivers. They can take it on their own time, and you can be rest assured that they're getting the help that they need. Now, one of the drawbacks of this is you don't have that FaceTime with your drivers, and so you are essentially trusting that your drivers are engaged and taking the content. And again, that's one of the things that these third-party providers do, is really help to ensure that these drivers make sure that they're taking the quizzes, that they're doing the things they need to do, and they're actually ingesting that content. So it's very, very helpful to have those third-party providers, and it's also helpful to have a system like the Idyllic Safety Suite that can integrate with these third-party providers like ProTread, Vertical Alliance, Luma, and others that essentially allow you to administer and assign those corrective actions from a single platform, and then make sure that the data pushes and pulls back so your drivers are capturing all of those trainings that they're taking. So again, this is very, very helpful, and it really rounds out all the different opportunities you have to help train your drivers. So thank you again for watching. This has been another 60 Seconds of Safety.